Hey everyone, I just got this 1 ounce Canadian gold maple leaf coin, year 2021 from JM Bullion, and I wanted to do this unboxing and share it with you. So when I originally got this, it was on pre-order. I got it near the end of January at jmbullion.com, and it was around 1960, but I think it's worth it. It took a long time for it to get to me because I didn't pay for shipping, and it also was on pre-order for the end of February. And look at that. That's a very nice coin. First Canadian maple leaf. It's a very standard 4/9 fine silver 1 ounce gold coin. It doesn't carry the same kind of premium that a U.S. gold buffalo would normally carry, or a U.S. eagle. And I think that it's a good thing to sell because it's easy to sell at spot because it's such a popular coin. And we could see the face of Queen Elizabeth II, $50, 50 Canadian dollars that is, and turn it around and look at that. I was actually really surprised. It looks much nicer in person than it does in the picture. Let me get that in focus. If you look in the bottom right corner, there's right above the 1 ounce thing, there's another maple leaf there. I was really surprised to find that. It's a very intricate design. I was not expecting this at all. And let's take a look at this other side. I was very surprised about this. When I get my coins, I like to get things so that they are standard and cheap, because you want to pay the lowest premium possible, but you also want to have something recognizable. You don't want to have to really try hard to look for a seller in case you need it, because this is one of those SHTF kind of things that you have. I like to keep my coins in these capsules that have the black foam ring. I like to keep everything in a consistent size and shape because storage is a very important component, and also display. I like the way the black ring looks around the edge of the gold coins. This isn't a perfect fit, but it's close enough, or at least for what I want, it's close enough. And I think that this clear casing, I use the On Fire guy because not all the casings that I get have fit all the coins that I get that they're advertised, and that's a good one to get in. That's so beautiful. Look at that. I was very happy to get this coin, and I was very impressed. Look at the shine on Queen Elizabeth's face. I never would have expected this, because to me this was just a standard kind of coin that I wanted to get for my stack, but it turned out to be a little bit more. There was an extra air of beauty that I had not previously anticipated when I bought it.